In this video, we're going to solve a couple more exponential equations. Let's look at this first example. 5 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of x plus 1. Notice that we don't have the same base on either side of the equation, nor can we change our bases so that they're going to be equal. In these cases, it's customary to take the natural logarithm of both sides. And the reason we're going to take a logarithm of both sides is so that we may remove those powers that are inside of our exponential expressions. So over on the left-hand side, we'll get ln of 5 to the power of x, and we can simplify this by bringing the x down using the power rule, and we get x times ln of 5. On the right-hand side, with ln of 4 to the power x plus 1, be careful here, we have to bring down the entire power x plus 1 and multiply this by ln of 4. I'm going to expand through the right-hand side so that we get x times ln of 4 plus ln of 4. Now what we need to do is collect our like terms that contain an x. I'm going to put them both over on the left-hand side of our equal sign. So I'm going to subtract x times ln of 4, and my right-hand side is going to be left as just ln of 4. Factoring out x on the left-hand side should give us ln of 5 minus ln of 4. And we can divide both sides by ln of 5 minus ln of 4. And that's going to give us a final answer of ln of 4 all over ln of 5 minus ln of 4. Let's do one more example. Here we have 7 to the power of x over 2 is equal to 5 to the power of 1 minus x. So similarly, we might notice that the bases on either side of our equation are not equal, nor can we manipulate them to get them into equal bases. So let's go ahead and take the natural logarithm of both sides. And once again, we will use the power law to bring down our powers, and we're going to get, in this case, x over 2 times ln of 7 is equal to 1 minus x times ln of 5. And let's do some distribution over on the right-hand side. That should give us ln of 5 minus x ln of 5. Once again, we're going to be interested in getting all of our linear terms in x over on the left-hand side. So that's going to give us x over 2 ln of 7 plus x ln of 5 is equivalent to ln of 5. Now you may notice that we have this fraction here over on the left-hand side. So let's try to remove that fraction from our equation by multiplying all of our terms by 2. So if we multiply our first term by 2, we're going to be left with x ln of 7. We multiply our second term by 2. This is going to give us 2x times ln of 5. And of course, we multiply our last term here by 2. That'll give us 2 ln of 5. Now I'm going to go ahead on the left-hand side and factor out that common factor of x. That's going to leave us with ln of 7 plus 2 ln of 5. And our last step here is going to be to divide by this expression, ln of 7 plus 2 ln of 5. And that's going to give us the following final answer here of 2 ln of 5 all over ln of 7 plus 2 ln of 5.